Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Lim Zepsiu, along with Alice here to teach you the phrase this month is Can you help me with something? 可以帮我一下吗？
做地老矮天数一下么？
做地老矮天数一下么？ Now, sometimes friends think that guys know all about cell phones and they ask them for help all the time. 其实男生呢，常常呢都会被女生朋友们问说，你可以帮我看一下手机为什么坏掉了啊？可以帮我检查一下？对啊，有时候女性的朋友都会认为说我们男生对这个手机应该都很了解，会检查。
因为 3C 啊。对
啊，但是不见得啊，你知道？
真的吗？
Yeah.
你不厉害哦。
其实还不错啦，但是我的意思说不见得是这样子嘛。
Okay.
Sometimes we get a lot of people asking for help on like checking on your cell phone, see what's wrong with it. So let's teach you phrases associated with can you help me with something and associated with cell phones, okay?
好，
那就要开始来教手机 a cell phone 怎么说呢？
手机耶。
手机耶 That means a cell phone, all right? Now, you want someone to check it up for you, right? 要检查 all right?
检查。
检查
对
That means to check it up, to check up on something, to have an examination, if you will. And then, 很多时候其实手机坏掉都是跟电池有关。
没电了。
对，所以呢，我们就干脆教大家怎么说电池 a battery.
天池。
天池 OK 不是天气哦，天气叫做
甜死。
甜死 but battery 电池是
天池。
天池 OK Sounds very similar, but one means weather, one means battery. All right.
那海陆枪。偏虚。
偏虚 OK, that's a different way, a different dialect of saying battery. All right, let's make a phrase out of one of these terms right here. 就是请人家帮忙一下嘛，所以我们来教大家怎么说，可以帮我检查一下吗？其实这不一定是手机啦，任何东西坏掉了，你要叫人家帮忙检查一下，都可以用这句话。Can you help me to check what's wrong with this?
做地老矮天数检查一下么？
检查 means to check up on it, all right? So the whole sentence, 做地老矮天数检查一下么？That means can you help me check out what's wrong with this? Just for a little while, just do a quick check, all right? Let's review all these phrases right here. The cell phone, 手机。
手机耶。
手机耶 And then to check up on something, 检查。
检查。
检查 And the battery, 电池。
天池。
天池 And it's all about can you help me with something? 可以帮我一下吗？
做地老矮天数一下么？
做地老矮天数一下么？ And there you go, more practical phrases for you here on Icrt.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.